Welcome everybody into TechSpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add on a specific product here into CJ Dropshipping. As you should see, here's an actual product that we actually added from CJ Dropshipping, as it doesn't look, but it actually was imported. So what I wanted to do here is to go into my Shopify. I'm going to leave you the link down below in the description, guys, so we can all get started totally for free. So now that we have our Shopify section here, let's go here into apps. And here, let's install the application of the CJ Dropshipping. So you can go into search for into the apps.shopify.com, and as you can see here, it is. So I'm going to click in it, and then let's go here into open app. In your case, it might be telling you to install the application. Once the application is going to be installed, it's going to be asking you to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can just need to register with an actual email as well as a passcode, and then you're actually good to go. Now that you're inside the CJ Dropshipping, what you wanted to do is to look out for an actual product that can be, let's say, related into what you're actually looking for. So let's say, for example, here that I wanted to do here is to click here and let's go for, I don't know, maybe blanket. Now that here I go for blanket, as you see here, there's a lot of products that I can add into my store. So what you wanted to do is to choose the best one that suits for you and then hit now into list. Or what you can do is to go for add to QE, just in case you wanted to add more than just one product. Let me just go here and look out for, let's say, for example, this product. I'm going to scroll all my way down. I go here for add a QE. I scroll a little bit more down. I choose this one and add to QE. Now that I go for my QE, click into QE, and it's going to be showing me all the products that I actually selected to add into my store. So let's select all of them. Now, if you go for manual listing or list now, it's going to be sending you once again back. But here it's going to be asking you where's the actual store, the product type, the collection, and the bundle. So what you wanted to do is to choose yourself the bundle name. So in our case, it's going to be this website. It's called the Koizo. So let's go back and I go for Koizo and go for confirmed. Now here we have the actual listing price. Make sure that you have an actual listing price grade, just in case you wanted to, let's say, drive some estimate profit. So the price of this product is $12 plus the shipping fee plus the service fee. The total cost of this product, it will be $55. That's a little bit, in this case I would be Mexican peso, of course, but what you wanted to do is to change this actual price and go for recommended listing price. If you wanted to change that, you can go here, and of course what you want to do is to make this a little bit much more higher. Let's say, for example, that what I wanted to do is to make the price change from 55 to 65, for example. That means that I'm going to be gaining $5 more. You can change the title if you want to. You can change the text, you can change the description, and change the images, the variants, and much more. In this case, I just want to go for the product title and change the actual title. For example, here I have blanked it 2 times. So what I want to be doing here is to go for only these 3 titles. Let's go here for list now and select a product to list. It says now list in progress. So that means that we just need to wait a few minutes till your actual listing has been now imported. So after that, let's go back here into our website and let's see if our product has now been imported. I'm going to go here into products, and I should see now here that I have my product ribbon imported. So if I click here, I should see that I have the same title, I have the great description, here's all the media, here's the variants, and all of that. So it's actually looking really great. So you're going to go and delete this title and go for save. Now what I wanted to do is to go back and see this product inside my online store. So as you should see now, the product has now been imported and it actually looks really great. And that, guys, that is how we can actually import products from CJ Dropshipping directly into your website. Once somebody makes an actual purchase, it's going to be showing you the order that appears in here into Shopify, and automatically it's going to be appearing here into your orders of the CJ Dropshipping. When you go into your profile, and you see into the right part, into the left part, that we have the order section. So this is how, guys, we can get started with CJ Dropshipping importing of your actual products. there you have it, guys. Really easy process. Just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. If you find this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more Shopify insights, and hit the notification bell. So thank you guys for joining us today. Happy expanding your product range. And well guys, hopefully we can all see you on a brand new video. See you soon.